welcome back to our vegan kitchen. I've got a great recipe for you today.
And you got some cute hair.
Alright, I got the Ariana from Vanderpump Rules. So, what we're going to be making today is vegan mayo. One of the things that my husband refuses to give up is regular mayo because he likes the taste of egg in there. Today's the day he's giving it up because this is going to be a beautiful eggy tasting mayo while still being vegan. It's less calories than the Simply Mayo. That one doesn't come in a light. This one, we're going to know every single thing that we put in here, and it's going to be much, much better than buying a store brand one and you made it yourself. So you can use an immersion blender. I have one here. You can use a beater, handheld mixer. I'm pretty sure you could use a high-speed blender too, but I like to use this. So I'm going to make mine in a little mason jar. Isn't that adorable?
It is.
The first ingredient is Aquafaba. This is what's going to help the oil emulsify into that beautiful creamy mayo. The rest of the liquids are going to be some lemon juice and some apple cider vinegar. And of course, oil. We're using avocado today. So we're going to add a tablespoon of lemon juice. If you miss any of the ingredients, don't worry. As always, they will be in the bottom bar. So not to worry, just check down there. We're also going to add Maddie's favorite, some apple cider vinegar. I know. It gives it a little bit tangy flavor though. You know that mayo has like that tangy flavor. Now, we've also got a little cane sugar, some mustard powder, and this is the secret ingredient that's not going to be a secret anymore. It's a follow your heart vegan egg powder. I bought these a while back thinking I was going to make omelets and stuff, but you know what? I just can't take the smell. I just don't like the smell of eggs. So I use this sometimes when I bake.
Little too real?
A little too real. You could also use some black salt. Some black sea salt, which I've also heard is a little too real. But we're only using a little bit. So it's going to give just that hint of egg flavor. So we're going to put our dry ingredients in there. And now we're ready to blend. I'm just going to blend this till it gets frothy. You might even want to tip it up a little bit, get some air in there incorporated, because that's what's going to give it that frothiness. Yeah, it smells like egg already, doesn't it?
Pulling back a little bit.
Yeah. Alright, I think that's pretty well combined. Now it's time to add the oil. You're going to want to add this a little bit at a time. You can use olive oil. We're using avocado today. It's a little more bland than olive, but olive probably would be pretty tasty in there too. You know, they do make mayos with olive oil in them. So you're just going to add a little bit at a time. Okay. It's a little thin right now, but I'm sure once you put it in the refrigerator, it's going to thicken up a little bit. It smells wonderful. She doesn't really like mayonnaise.
Yeah, I'm not a big mayo person.
You can use this in salad dressings. You could use this on your sandwich. You can use it to make potato salad, and you've made it yourself, so you know exactly what is going into it. So there you go. You made yourself some homemade eggless mayo. All right, guys. Little confession. After I put the mayo in the fridge, I thought, the last time when I made the Aquafaba, I took a long time to get it super fluffy, so I went back and blended it a little bit more. It got a little bit thicker, but not much. I don't know how much of a difference it made, but I just thought I'd tell you that. It's pretty good, pretty thick. I also realized the more oil you use, you can use up to 3/4 of a cup. We only used a half a cup, but the more oil you use, the more it will emulsify and thicken up. So I'm going to make a nice tuna sandwich for lunch today with my Aquafaba Mayo. So I've got some of the chickpeas from the can that I stole the Aquafaba away from, and I just mashed them with my fork a little bit. I'm going to add some pepper, of course, because I like pepper. and some dulse. Now, if you don't know what dulse is, it's a sea vegetable, and I guess they dry it out and they make like a little salt with it. It is a great source of iodine, which you need to have your thyroid function properly. A lot of people don't have enough iodine in their diet, and their thyroid gets a little messed up. It gives it a little bit of a fishy taste, and it's good for your thyroid. So I like to put a little bit of dulse in there. I'm going to add some mayo. Whoa.
That thickened up.
Yeah, thickened up. I'm going to also add some to my Sammy, because no one likes a dry sandwich. I'm just going to mix this up. It's going to be real tuna salad-esque-ish.
Smells like tuna.
Right? Gonna pile it up. Whoa, shook. I also like to add a little probiotic sauerkraut for flavor and for crunch, because I don't do celery. This also is nice. It's from Trader Joe's. It's got pickles in it as well. It's not really as salty as you think it would be, so it's kind of nice. Yeah. And for a little bit of bite, of course, some red onion. Now, how damn beautiful is that? All right, here we go. Oh, it's all coming out. I freaking love that. Probably did a horrible job cutting through there, but whoa.
Ooh, give it a taste.
That is so beautiful. Oh, it's all coming out. This is going to be really messy. I apologize in advance. Mmm.
How's that mayo?
You know how they say everything always tastes better when you eat it outside? Everything always tastes better with homemade mayo. Whoa. I challenge you to try that. I think you would really, really enjoy that and not hate mayo.
Oh, you actually mean me?
Yes.
I'm not a mayo girl.
Well, I think you'd be pretty surprised.
I don't hate it.
It's fresh, right?
No, it's actually really good.
Awesome.
I don't think I would like chug this jar.
No,
but,
who would?
Well, there are plenty of people who would.
Okay. Not me.
Yeah, but that's good. Very good.
All right. And I can just imagine that on potato salad or whatever, salad dressing, if you want to make like a ranch with some dill or something like that. Guys, I really want you to try it. It is so good. You can even do a garlic aioli. Give it a thumbs up if you like this type of recipe. Subscribe for more as always. And until next time, much love.